All we'll have to do is put it in our glasses. Welcome to Food 254. My name is Kayla and today I'm going to teach you how to make lemonade. First, we'll need ginger, then some lemons, and then we'll need some oranges. Then a juicer to squeeze all of the juice out. Then you take the oranges You see guys, it's already over. We'll need to create the ginger and then we mix it together with the orange and lemon. Okay, now as you can see, our ginger is ready. Now we have our juice. We take our ginger seed and put it inside. Now we'll have to mix it so that the ginger can go together with the lemon and orange. Okay, now we'll need some cold water. Mine is cold and it's ice. There. And all I need to do is put it like that and now we'll have to mix it again. And our lemon juice is ready. All we'll have to do is put it in our glasses. If you taste and you see it doesn't have enough sugar, you can put another orange because oranges have natural sugar. Thank you so much for watching this video on how to make a lemonade. It's so easy, you can make it just at home. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, bye-bye.